welcome back to another stream, but to a brand new game this time. This something Saturday. Hi, it's me, Ruby. Nice to see you. No, nice to be here to play games for you. I hope you're having a good weekend. We are jumping into something a little bit different. I know we haven't finished off playing, through Slime Rancher yet, but I've had this other game sitting in my Steam library for a little while, and it keeps on catching my eye, and I keep on wanting to give it a go. So I figured, why not do that today? The game's called A Juggler's Tale, and it's meant to be like a puzzly, side-scrolly little game. I don't know how long it's going to play for. Haven't looked it up. Don't know what kind of play it is. There are chapters, apparently, so don't know. We'll see how it goes, but I wanted to give it a shot. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me. And enough of me talking about it. Let's just jump in, because I can only vamp for so long when I don't actually know what the game is. So there's this very cute little screen, and I'm loving the music. Although the little humming along person is a little weird, but let's continue with a new game.
The moon hangs heavy in the late night sky, yet the pub's still full. Let's have a look why. The day was long and offered nothing of cheer. How about a story over a mug of beer? Crowd around all who dwell here. I'm Jack. Call me the storyteller. Quiet down and lend me your ear. I know exactly what you want to hear. I'll spin you a yarn, and before I'm through, you'll be as sure as I that every word is true. It's about a brave little girl with hardly a fear, who looked for her life like any of these kids here. But wait, who's this stumbling onto the stage? A round of applause for our leading lady.
Hey, Amy.
Her name is Abby.
Ah. Oh.
She lived in a quaint little village just like this one. Trust me, it's not so important where you're from. Even the meekest Hicktown has stories galore. So the one I'm telling might as well be yours.
Am I supposed to do stuff? Ooh. Okay. Interesting. Oh. Weird. I mean, cool. I'm digging it. So I can only go side to side, and then I can't go like further into depth of field because that's just up, which seems to be jump. Alright, so I guess we're going this way. This is cool. I'm already digging this. Ah! Hello, people. Hi.
A little circus was in town, traveling their route, wooing the locals wherever they were about. And amongst all these passers-by, here's Abby. Would you like to say hi?
Hi. Hold control and move to push or pull objects. Okay. Okay. Pretty easy. And then, oh! Interesting. So that was essentially the same as jump. Weird. Okay. Oh, nope. Oh, I have to... I see. Hold on. Interesting. I hope you're feeling alright as well, Amy. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Alright. Nice. I like that I could pretty much play this game one-handed so far. Oh, this is a gorgeous looking game. Oh, sweetie. Fair enough. Ooh. So we are the juggler. Hello.
Come on, Abby. Show us what you're made of.
That's so great. The character strings get stuck on the board. That's awesome. Throw an object by holding control and while choosing a direction. Oh, I see. Okay. Interesting.
Not bad. Well done, eh? Or do you think Abby's selling you short?
Oh, nope. Can I go this way? Yes. And hit this one? No, but I could hit this one. Hey! Can I pick this up? Oh, I can! Okay, nice.
She's not here by chance, though. No, this isn't a visit. This is her home. Fortune has deemed her artiste extraordinaire, though not extraordinary enough to command her fair share.
The Sims. Very nice. I am indeed staying cozy.
The ringmaster announces, "Attention! The artiste! A meager little girl child confronts the beast. Help! I'm afraid I've dropped my cat. Someone to the rescue! Can Abby save my scalp?"
Let the bear go. Oops. Is juggling my idle animation? I think it is. That's great. Huh. So what do I need to do here? Oh, okay. Jump onto a rope to swing. Interesting. Okay. Oh, oh no. Woo! Whee! Oh. Can I give you an apple?
Well done! You've almost got it. Don't stop now. Use your wit.
Do you want an apple? Oh, okay, hold on. Oh, nope. Hug the bear! Oh! I see! Here you go.
Phenomenal, Abby.
Totally
You
intentional.
excelled. The ringmaster praises you mastered that well. But now the hours have whiled away. That was the last performance of the day.
Da da da! Hell yeah! It is. It's
Alas,
extremely
it
cute.
is not before the cheering crowd. Abby's life is far from proud. You had the audience cheering for more. The ringmaster praises and then locks the door. Poor Abby, held in a small cage day and night, only free for the length of a staged fight. Food and lodging, if you eat like a bird, but oh, how she longs to see the world.
She's gonna.
Yes, a pair of rats take heed and bring an apple in her hour of need.
Thank you. What do I... Okay, so I must need to hit something. Oh, just that?
The ringmaster storms in.
Oh.
Seems. What's going on here? He stomps and screams.
Oh, okay. So we've got to... I think we've got to knock over these ones over here. Thank you, rat friends. So that he comes in and we can steal his key. Yes!
Should she suffice with the bars of the cage? No. She belongs on the world's wide open stage. Impertinent? That means brash. Don't tell me you wouldn't make a dash for it.
Damn right I would. Hey!
Carefully, carefully. Don't make a sound. She slips away from the ringmaster's grounds. Poor us. Abby knows too well how his captivity feels. Raging beast? Hardly. A trusted friend also wanting to flee.
Can we get him out?
Abby, Abby, don't you see the threads holding you up also hold you back? Abby, didn't you hear me?
Yeah, but I thought I'd try it anyways. Okay. Oh, it's a handle! I'm a doofus. Let's go, Urs! This way.
Abby, your threads. Are you stupid?
Rude. Yeah, but I can't do anything with Urs. Oh my god!
Friends, and those are very few, your dreams will stay dreams and never come true.
Aw, buddy! Thank you. Whoop.
Darn. Hopefully no one heard that.
Let's go, my guy. Nope. Urs! Come on.
What business does Abby have here? Boldly press forward, or cower in fear.
Okay. Where are we going? What am I supposed to do? Can't do anything there. Are you gonna help me with something? Nope. Oh, am I supposed to pull it from this end? Or push it?
Together, dear
Push
Abby,
it!
you can move mountains.
Ah! Yay!
trouble. Us and Abby can continue their struggle. But what's that? The ringmaster! You've been found out. Fast!
Oh,
Oh
Urs!
my! Ah, the loyalty of a beast. So often attributed to the heart. But perhaps a deficiency of the intellect? Apparently Urs found Abby's cage to be smaller than his own. Well done, Urs. Though, now she's alone. Quick now, Abby, run away. Don't look back. It's the start of a new day.
Wow. I'm not commentating much because I'm just enjoying playing this very adorable game.
Abby wanted the world, and it shows itself at its best. The fields, the flowers. But you can't afford to rest. The voices pursuing her, they slowly subdue. To wind stroking grass, cricket orchestras, sounds all so new.
I love these kinds of color palettes where it's like the gradient blues in the background and then the bright red tree leaves. Oh, oh, so gorgeous.
Stone by stone, tree by tree, world without commands, it's strange to be free. The evening sky paints the air, coloring over Abby's despair.
Oh, we're in Denmark.
Sunbeams tingling with warmth, inviting you, continue forth. The world is beautiful, Abby. Look at its colors. Take it in while you can. Enjoy the wonders.
This is a gorgeous view. And a cow!
It's just a windmill standing still, perhaps envying you for your free will. It is what it is, a stubborn wooden thing. Still, you can't get past it with your strings.
True. Oh, I need to turn that. Yeah, buddy.
That's the way. The mill waves Abby goodbye, its arms swinging high in the sky.
Gotcha. Oh, butterflies. Hello. Let's go. Oh, gorgeous. I could literally stop anywhere along this path and happily have a new computer background. Gorgeous. Oh, whoops. Let me out.
If worst comes to worst, you can count on me. Those strings on your hands are wings, you see.
Okay, so Jack is the one that's pulling the strings, huh? Interesting. Ah, no!
Crossing a line, leaping too far, it's human. I'm here to catch you when you've done something stupid.
Rude, Jack.
Little Abby stops with a shiver.
Oops.
If you want to be free, you'll have to cross the river.
Okay. Oh, I see. Interesting. Okay. Can I pick any more up? Might be further back here. Oopsie-daisy.
Fall, my angel. I command the ground not to be painful.
That's sweet.
Abby, Abby, charmingly naive. You can trip and fall, but not if you believe.
There we go. Oh, that's as far as it'll go. Okay. Oh, I need a lot of these. Oh, wait, maybe I don't. Yeah! Wait, no, come back.
Resourceful little lass. Where there's no bridge, she uses her class. Oh.
Oh.
Without tools, determination comes up empty. May I lend you a string, lest fatigue be too tempting?
What does that mean? Aw, yay!
You can trust me.
That instantly made me not trust you, Jack. I know, it's so pretty. Gorgeous game.
A hunter's cabin, a light. Looks inviting, eh, Abby? Warm and bright. Oh, wouldn't that be fabulous?
Hello?
The old wolf is dying. Leave him in peace. His travels are over. Yours are yet to be.
Hey, you okay? Wait, what did that just do? Huh. Interesting. Okay. I have to go, like, up, right, down, left. Oh, no!
A girl who moves windmills will certainly manage to get a little cart out of the way.
Hmm. Oop. Where am I supposed to put that? Oh, okay. Ah, interesting. Can I use this to cut the wolf free? Or am I supposed to just put it around that post?
Abby, what are you doing?
Yes!
The strings? What are you doing with the strings? Stop that. The wolf has lived his life. Let him be.
No!
What the? What did I tell you?
Hey, hey, hey!
You have to do what I say. If you don't listen to me, I can't help you. Got it?
Yay!
What do we care what's happened to a wolf? The wolf is yonder to become dog fodder. And who freed him from the planks? Heroic Abby. Yet not a single word of thanks.
I got an achievement. Free the wolf. Hell yeah. You're welcome. I think that was an owl. But you're welcome. Oh. Ooh.
The trees block Abby with wooden claws, but they're afraid they'll burn their paws.
Oh my goodness.
Mud, thunder, and lightning are terrible opponents. Poor little Abby has to endure some trying moments. Alone in the world, she runs wildly about, while the embers of freedom are slowly doused out. Well, well, Abby, the world isn't all campfires and song, eh? Aye, it's a sorry state of affairs. Abby, Abby, you know you can't crawl under anything. You know very well it catches your strings.
Okay.
Ah, very clever.
What did I do? Oh, that is very clever. I do have enough strings to make a bass guitar. Good point, Ryder. Okay.
I've heard tales of creatures in these woods.
Oh!
Up to no good.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god, no! Oh no, I hate the bugs. I hate the spiders. No. Great. Let's go. Okay. Yes, that's how it works. Ah!
There she is with her hideous legs, ready to devour you, catch you in her web.
Get away!
Fire seems to do the trick.
Okay, great. I'll pick up another stick. Away from me.
Like your torture bit.
Get away from me. I hate you. Yes,
Well
good.
done. You forced her retreat. But don't try your luck. I recommend you flee.
That's the plan, my guy. Oh, I don't want to... Right, I see. This one is okay. Oh. Alright, hold on. So I gotta come down here. Go this way. Go pick it back up. And then get to this. Hey! Nice. Wow. Oh! I've really just been doing very well with those up until that point. Whoops. Go away. Oh, Ryder.
It's raining.
Thanks, Jack. I didn't notice. Alright. What's I supposed to do? Oh, whoops. What am I supposed to be throwing at? Hmm. Is it meant to be that line?
You certainly seem to feel confident at the end of my strings.
That I am. Oh, maybe I just wasn't meant to do anything. Never mind. Hey, sandwich! Woo! Whoop.
The fire's gone out. How are you going to light your torch now?
Okay. Oh, I get. Whoa. Oh God!
Rome wasn't built in a day.
The tree just got set on fire by the lightning. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! This is gonna be bad. Okay. Ah! Oh, it stops there. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, I see. Okay, hold up. There we go. Ah!
Abby, do you see how much you need me? This is no place for you.
Oh, shush, Jack.
Your torch, Abby. It's going out.
I know.
Careful.
There we go. Ooh. Alright. Run, 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 run. Hey! Nice. Quite a shocking experience. Oh no. And then here. Okay. And here. Hello. Get away from me. Oh!
What you couldn't manage, someone else could do. Oh, Abby, what have you gotten yourself into?
Oh. Wait. Oh, I can't go further. Okay. Hello? Are you the hunter?
Doesn't look trustworthy to me. Careful.
Huh? What? What? Is that gonna catch on fire? No. If I wait, will they go back to sleep? What do you do if you're attacked by a king? Go for the juggler.
Doesn't look trustworthy to me. Careful.
Sure. But what am I supposed to do? Can I interact with this? Oh, there's a bunch of arrows in them. Oh, goodness. What am I supposed to... I can't take anything from here. Hmm. Interesting. Okay, so then I get stuck there. I can't go any further that way. If I go here, can I throw it up at them? Oh, there we go. And then I hide. And then I scurry.
Doesn't look trustworthy to me.
Damn it.
Careful.
Okay. So maybe I've got to be down there. And then scurry back up the hill? Can I go back up the hill? I can't. Okay. Interesting. I go here.
Doesn't look trustworthy to
Oh.
me. Careful.
Huh. Or unless I just have to be super quick about it, maybe. Yeah. There we go. Ah!
Go away, Abby. Quiet.
I'm going.
Whoever is able to slay a spider like that is possibly not the most compassionate.
Oh my god, what are you?
That's a ringmaster, all decked out in a dark forest, and conspiratively whispering with who? About what? Oh my, it's Tonda, the merciless plunderer. He's the one who tore the spider asunder.
Oh.
Abby's weight in gold shall be yours if you bring her back through my circus doors. Since she's gone, my world has gone black. Damn it, I want the little brat back. The ringmaster pleaded, the ringmaster whined, but Tonda just laughed and sipped his wine. Remember the bear? We caught him in a day without further ado. A little lost juggler girl won't cost but a few. Ringmaster, have your reward ready. We'll bring your Abby back just as I told. Get ready, men. We'll be bathing in gold.
Okay.
The mercenaries and thieves gather round Tonda, as hungry and determined as a huge anaconda. Their leader is big enough for 2, strong enough for 5. They'll do anything for a buck and more to survive.
You didn't see anything. Can we go?
The bandits get back to their work, building a castle, or at least a fort.
Ooh. Oh god. You don't see me. Go away. Thank you. Oh. Oh god, okay. Now I finally have to use both hands. Okay. So stealthy. Can I just go?
You
Ah!
ran right into his arms.
Yeah, I did. Oops. Can I drop the piece of wood that we just cut? Can I drop it on him? Oh, I have to do that again. Rude game. Or can I take the sword with me? I mean, the sword. Can I take the saw with me? If you've got a sword going, though, I wouldn't mind it. Interesting. Okay. So can I pick this up? I can. Okay. Yeah, go away, buddy. Yeah. Okay. There we go. And then we're gonna kill this man with blunt force trauma. Conk.
Oh, that looked painful. Without some smarts up in your crown, all the muscle in the world would only weigh you down.
Yes! Both knocked each other out.
Once you sneak past certain death, it's easy to believe that life lies ahead. But Abby, you thought your luck had turned, but in fact it's merely whimpered and squirmed. And now, only thickets too thick for a girl. So where is this oh so beautiful world? Dangers lurking in that swamp, Abby.
Okay.
You smell that, Abby? That's death. The world's perfume.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
You have to look at a thing if you want to see it. If you want to survive, you can't be squeamish.
So I think what I need to do is drag that over to that trap.
Good thing I've got you by the strings, Abby.
That sounds so creepy, dude. Oh! Okay, I did kind of have the right idea. Great.
Oh, Abby, take a grip on life, even if it is a corpse.
Yep. Okay. Oof. Oi, oi, oi. It's still a very pretty game, but it's getting grosser. What? Oh, that was quick.
It's Thunder's gang. Run, Abby. Run for your life.
I'm going, I'm going, I'm going, I'm going, I'm going!
You can't get away.
Yes, I can!
Thunder calls through the woods.
You don't know me?
Watch out. Or have you grown so accustomed to me helping?
Huh.
Thunder grunts and rains. Abby's nowhere to be found. He's not used to having his prey escape the hunting grounds.
Ah,
A moment of grace can have an exorbitant price. Abby's freedom is at the roll of the dice.
ah. Holy heck. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Tonda's band of thieves has moved on, it seems, yet they continue to look, for this world is their regime. Once they've tasted blood, they'll discover your tracks. Rare is the victim that's managed to slip through the cracks.
Well, that'll be me, buddy. Oh, a little mushroom. Up we go. Oh, so pretty.
Abby, you've come too far, seen too much to give in. This freedom you've achieved is but a burden. No matter where you hasten, no matter how you try, your feet are no less blistered, your dreams are no less shy.
What's the tree in the distance? Oh, what's the other thing? Yo, so there's the tree here, right? This tree. Where the strings are. There's that lit up tree. And then if you look at this big tree that I can't point to because I don't have a cursor in this game, but the really tall foreground tree on the left. If you look in that direction, and then as I move the camera, what's the other little thing that keeps moving around? Is that the windmill? Or a windmill? I think it might be a windmill. Ugh. Wild. It looked like it was like... Frankly, it looked like Sudowoodo from Pokemon. It looked like another tree-sized thing just being like, ah. But anywho, let's keep moving. I hope we get to see our wolf friend again.
Freedom is hard, Abby. Get used to it.
Rude. No pithy
The woods are
rhyme
a
with that
lonely
one?
place, but in a village, can Abby find solace?
No, because it doesn't rhyme. Oh, there's something in the way. I see, I see. Oh! Huh. Oh, was it just that that's in the way? Oh, okay. And that's as far as it goes. Ha. Oh, shit. Yep. Yeah, you right, game. You right. Okay. So, we gotta go like that. And then we're gonna go like this.
Not particularly respectful, but if it works.
Hey! Nice. Nice!
So, Abby, still thrilled by your sense of adventure? Or do you find yourself recalling how your cage was so secure?
No. Definitely not
Don't
the second
let him
one.
bite you.
Oh!
Where would you be without me, your storyteller? You'd be dog food for old Yeller.
This game can make someone feel so attached. It's true.
The girl who conquered Urs the bear is turned by a mutt into a bundle of despair?
Only because you're making me, dude. I feel like this dog would just be chill. Ow.
Romping about in search of a bone, does he remind you of anyone? Ha ha! And for a rotten wooden peg, he's forgotten the one thing he shouldn't.
Has he forgotten it?
Abby peers into strangers' homes as she passes. Humble abodes, but for Abby, each is a castle.
Oh no, I'm gonna ring the bell. Damn it. Oh no, I'm not. Can I? I can.
No one opens their door for Abby. Hope against hope is our only key.
Oop. There's a baker!
Only one way to find out, open or barred. Abby rushes headlong and hungry into the baker's yard. Abby, no one will welcome you like that. The baker lady has a broken fence. You can't hold it against the baker. You looked for all the world a mischief maker.
Alright. Can I walk back in? I can. Why is that a thing that I can move? Oh, sorry. Huh.
Now she refuses to give up.
It's a cool looking village, too. Sorry! Just curious about this random handle in your floor. Oh, is there something I can tie to it, maybe?
The wheel is turning too quickly.
That it is. I can't. I'm holding on. Okay. Are you gonna look anywhere else, lady? Doesn't seem like it. What? Curious. Oh!
Nice try, Abby, but you're much too lean.
Oh.
No chance in hell of choking the stream.
Hi.
Abby, not the nicest thing to do. But then where was her hospitality for you?
And that's gonna slow it down? That is silly.
The baker lady says adieu. But who welcomes someone like you?
Rude. Okay. That's one way to solve that problem.
Thunder and his gang are also here, it seems.
Oh, shit.
Take care that they don't spoil your dreams. You slipped them, and the rains erased your tracks. But I don't think you can allow yourself to relax. They'll not forget you too soon, or let the ringmaster down. For his promised gold, they'll plunder the whole town.
Such a gorgeous friggin' game.
Hey, watch out for your strings.
Okay. Can't pick that one up.
Oh, Abby, be careful. Who's going to clean all this up? Besides, your strings are all tangled. I've got to... One more. You've got to be kidding. Ah, there we are. So, you can get out of this mess on your own.
Well, fine then. Fine then I will. Oh god, okay. Hold up. Okay.
With all her strength, Abby managed to climb the scaffolding.
Damn right I did.
Amusement's in the air, yet Abby can't go there. Look, a carnival, Abby. Everyone's there. But where's your place?
Oh, I like the little house over on the hill over there. I would like to live in that place. That'd be cute.
Just as Abby is crossing the breach... Ow! She only escapes by the skin of her teeth. Once her acrobatics filled the villages with happiness. Since she's fled, she's known only duress.
Okay.
She who once commanded the spotlight, how low she sunk. Now
No! How did you
next
see
time,
me?
watch out for the light.
Rude. Extremely rude, Jack. Hmm. No. Okay, but you're not moving. Alright, here goes.
That didn't work very well, little Abby.
I need something to throw. Okay. Aha! Here we go. Oh, interesting. Wait, can I just push this? And like stand here? Ha Full on Metal Gear Solid. Oh, they do find it suspicious.
Oh,
No!
you won't get far like this.
No! I feel like I'm gonna need this, just by the fact that I can move it. So, I'm inclined to just try and get this all the way over. Okay. Hmm. Oh shit, damn it.
Oh, you won't get far like this.
Okay, I'm gonna try one more time moving it. Oh. Oh my god, that was close.
Abby hasn't lost her arm. She can still throw far.
Huh. Oh yeah, they were gonna run him over. Nice. Nope. Totally not suspicious.
You don't want to miss the end of the story, do you? Our big little eyes have seen enough of the ways the world can be so rough. What sparkled like gold turned black. What tasted sweet turned sour. Abby's beautiful world of adventure was washed away on torrential showers. In the end,
Oh God.
she no longer wants to roam. She wishes for nothing but to be back home.
No!
Thinking, oh, all the troubles she's endured. She fell into the bandit's arms and surrendered.
No! Bullshit. I refuse this outcome.
Off they go with Abby, the happy little horde, dreaming of all the things they'll do with their reward. And because they're happy, or because the road is long, Instead of marching in silence, they all join in a song.
We wander life in freedom, every step is grand. We're just merry bandits, terror of the land. We just merry bandits, terror of the land. The circus, the jugglers slipped the sack, and now we finally got it. We're bringing every
Wizard
man.
Tower.
Once we get there, our rewards will make us fat. We're rich, so much gold for little bread. We're going to hand you over and collect the handsome wage, and leave you to your fate in a golden circus cage. We wander life in freedom, every step is grand. We're just merry bandits, terror of the land. So you want to stop us, just step into our pub. Come on, come and taste our wrath. The little juggler girl, she do her tricks again. Why wander far and free, all the while we sing. We wander life in freedom, every step is grand. We're just merry bandits, terror of the land. We're just merry bandits, terror of the land.
When did you all have time to
When they
write this
reached the
song?
ruins, it was dark enough for a lamp, and they were all happy enough to stop and
I know, right? The visuals are gorgeous.
soon the ringmaster will be all smiles. At dawn we set out and tackle the last few miles.
Fuck you, dude.
Tonda taunted. Enjoy your last night of freedom, he said, and left her to fight her demons.
Oh, big rat.
Abby, stop your fidgeting.
I refuse.
Haven't you learned your lesson? Knowing your place is a blessing. Abby,
No.
look what you've done
Hmm?
now. You want to be a hero but have no idea how.
No, I don't.
Our Abby obviously hasn't learned a thing. Ungrateful know-it-all, but thinks she's a queen. But now Abby has chosen this fate of her own free will. The story finds its ending. Abby, her last thrill.
My dude. You don't know me.
Flames spread in the back of an eye. Even the rats flee for their lives.
Ha ha ha. Oh, fuck.
In the end, it is as it must be. What do you think of your heroine now? All tatters and fleas and chased out of town. Squirm, Abby. Serious?
Damn right.
I'm losing my patience, Abby. Freedom falls into no one's lap. And if you don't know your place, it's the simplest trap. Pitiful that you can't let go. What do you hope to achieve with your squirming? Let go. Behave yourself. The
No.
circus had given Abby home and purpose. Yet she wanted more and more.
Damn
Not
right.
a chance. This has got to stop.
Yay!
No, this is not possible.
Fuck you, Jack. Ooh. Oh, that was a very quick act. Changing your fate. Hell yeah. Resistance.
There once was a once Abby, and then wait, Abby, lie in. Yeah, damn it. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay. So Abby lay there, and then you wanted to know what happened, eh? Of course. What happened? Okay, good. Abby got up. She sat up, shaken, and found her way back to her feet. She began to run. world that I built was in ruins because the war endlessly ravaged and brutal.
Go, Abby.
Yeah, the war ravaged the landscape because important people somewhere didn't get along. Like a stubborn little brat, she ran because she had no plan. The war around her was merciless. Ungrateful as she was, she still had no regrets.
Oh. This has gotten dark. It also kind of reminds me a bit of like Stanley Parable, just with the voiceless main character and the narrator.
Corrupted the innocent, slaughtered every man. Nothing but corpses and spears, burnt, broken, shabby. Nothing left alive, except for the stupid brat. Ha! It seems Abby's adventure took a wrong turn.
Oops. Oops. My bad.
Mercenaries and bandits had depleted the land, corrupted the innocent, slaughtered every man.
Okay.
Nothing but corpses and spears, burnt, broken,
Oh, this
shabby.
is a thing I can pick.
Nothing left alive, except for the stupid brat Abby.
What am I trying to hit? Am I trying to hit that? Yes, I am. Okay, so now we got a drawbridge down. Okay, and then whoop. Yeah, buddy. Whoop. Whoop. Can I take this? No. Okay. Oh, okay. We jump. Since when did you have a voice, Abby? What?
Crawl away in your rabbit hole, Abby.
Alright, I will. Actually, it's a rat hole.
And then Tonda enters
God
stage left. He rages and fumes. Now no one's here to save you. Twice a man's size, 5 times his strength. To teach this brat a lesson, he'll go to any length. Whichever way she goes, the trap will still catch her. Rash little thing, thinking she's something special. Don't stick your hand in things you don't understand.
Yes. I just got an achievement called Worth a Try, which is just to annoy Tonda and the bandits.
The world around her closes in. Stop fighting back. Let the end begin.
No, I refuse. Oh. Ooh, I love the sound effect of the sandy footfalls. Running on sand.
He comes to get you and won't hold back. The time to beg mercy is long since past. No chance to escape him, Abby.
Okay.
From left to right, right to left, and then right again. Isn't enough enough?
No. Hmm.
You want to play hide and seek? Go ahead.
All right, I will.
Come out and play. Don't be a bore.
Hmm.
The end
No.
is inevitable, of course. Tonda the Barbarian makes it short work.
Good lord. Okay, so I need to get... Hmm.
He comes to get you and won't hold back. The time to beg mercy is long since past. No chance to escape him, Abby.
What happens if I just push this at you? Oh, yeah, that makes
He who
sense.
refuses to listen has to feel. Like a vain little dog must learn to heal.
Interesting. Okay. So I know that I need to get up here.
He comes to get you and won't hold back. The time to beg mercy is long since past. No
Like, I want to get up to
chance
this,
escape him, Abby.
the little red lever up there, and also get to the boat on the other side.
You want to play hide and seek? Go ahead.
I got this. Yes. Okay. Maybe that'll work. If I do it correctly. Wait. 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 Oh, come on. Maybe?
From left to right, right to left, and then right again. Isn't enough enough?
Okay. So we did that first bit.
Come out and play. Don't be a bore.
Come on. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. Ah! I keep hitting spacebar to jump.
Does this all look familiar? Ha! You've been running in circles.
Oh, we can't actually get out that way. Oh, I see. Hi. Yes!
He who
Ah!
refuses to listen has to feel.
Okay.
Like a vain little dog must learn to heal.
Okay. I understand now. So I've got to get...
He comes to get you and won't hold back. The time to beg mercy is long since past. No chance to escape him, Abby. Come out and play. Don't be a bore.
No. I don't like you. Okay. Oh,
You
God
want
damn
to
it.
play hide and seek? Go ahead.
Okay, okay. Going in this way. Wait. I'm going. Nope. No. Hey.
From left to right, right to left, and then right again. Isn't enough enough?
Hello. Okay. Yes. And then. Whoop. And then. Oh, I didn't get it. No.
Does this all look familiar? Ha! You've been running in circles.
Tonda, you okay? Buddy? I've entrapped him. Alright, I'll give you this one, buddy.
The
Here you go.
end is inevitable, of course. Tonda the Barbarian makes it short.
Alright. So.
He comes to get you and won't hold back. The time to beg mercy is long since past. No chance to escape him, Abby.
Okay. Let me just do this. And then we
He
roll.
who refuses to listen has
No!
to feel. Like a vain little dog must learn to heal.
Oh, shut up, Jack. You don't know Jack, Jack.
He comes to get you and won't hold back. The time to beg mercy is long since past. No chance to escape him, Abby.
Oop, oop.
You want to play hide and seek? Go ahead.
I will. 'Cause you can't get me. Ha 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 ha. Please don't get stuck again. There we go.
Come out and play. Don't be a ball.
Ah,
Who
God!
refuses to listen has to feel.
Damn
like
it.
a vain little dog must learn to heal.
So what am I meant to do there? Huh, okay. Because I don't have enough time to just do
Comes
that.
to get you and won't hold back. The time to beg mercy is long since past. No chance to escape him, Abby. You want to play hide and seek? Go ahead.
I do really like the narrator's voice. Even though he's a bit of a dick. Oh, can I push it under the...
From
that's a
left
question.
to right, right to left, and then right again. Isn't enough enough?
Maybe? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Hi. Na 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 na, you can't reach me. Oh god, no!
Play. Don't be a bore.
Is that what I'm meant to do? Okay, but I can't pull it past there. Ugh. Can't push it past there either. Okay.
Does this all look familiar? Ha! You've been running in circles.
Yeah. Yep. But no, but he's not gonna... Oh! God! No! Damn it. Okay. So, I think I'm gonna need to
He comes to get you and won't hold back.
run all the
time
way
to
back
beg mercy
along.
is long since past. No chance to escape him, Abby.
Okay.
You want to play hide and seek? Go ahead.
This way. Then... Okay. So I've done that. Then I want to push that box all the way into that side. Then... get him to run.
Come out and play. Don't be a bore.
I think what I need to do, get the box all the way over to the other side. Get him to run over that way. Then push the box out and jump over it and run all the way back to this end. And then go all the way back and do the thing. I think.
From left to right, right to left, and then right again. Isn't enough enough?
Whoop. Yeah. And then we go here, and then we go all the way over. This way. Because then he comes all the way over here.
Does this all look familiar?
Yes.
You've been running in circles.
No, damn it. Okay. Come on. Come on.
The
You're
end is in
not
the
allowed to
court.
do that.
Under the barbarian may
Ugh.
work.
I think that's the right idea, though. I can just give myself slightly more time. Like, once he's started the animation
He
to
comes
start running
get
that
you
way.
and won't hold back. The time to beg
Okay.
mercy is long since past. No chance to escape him, Abby.
Yeah. Thank you.
From left to right, right to left, and then right again. Isn't enough enough?
That's also what the narrator's describing, and I think it's meant to be a bit of a hint. Oh, okay.
You want to play hide and seek? Go ahead.
go. Oh, nearly.
He who refuses to listen has
It
to
takes so
feel.
fucking long to undo
Like
that
a good
thing.
little dog
Oh my
must learn
god.
to heel.
Okay.
He comes to get you and won't hold back. The time to beg mercy is long since past.
Whoop.
No chance to escape him, Abby.
Getting down here.
You want to play hide and seek? Go ahead.
No, don't do that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now do that. Oh, that's right. That's why
Come
we need
out
to
and
go all the way over
play.
there.
Don't be a bore.
Do it. Now come over here. Yep. Oh, hello. What the fuck? My dude.
From left to right,
What the
right
fuck?
to left, and then right again. Isn't enough?
Rude, Tonda.
He who
Unfair.
refuses to listen has to feel. Like a brave
Oh,
little
God.
dog must learn to heel.
Alright.
He comes to get you and won't hold back. The time to beg mercy is long since past. No chance to escape him, Abby.
What?
Come out and play. Don't be a bore.
Yes. Yes.
From left to right, right to left.
Ooh.
Isn't enough? What a pathetic attempt. What? Yeah, right, paddle on. You think you've won?
Damn right I have.
Break the rules. Oh, look how peaceful the lake is. So calm.
It's gorgeous.
Ah, Abby thinks she's safe, floating like a leaf. But there's more to worry about than a barbarian thief. In
Ooh.
the eye of the storm. The eye of the storm is deceptively calm. But then it unleashes the force of a thug. Nature is a thug while looking so romantic. A peaceful little lake can rage like the Atlantic.
Well, I don't think I can do much about that. Oh my
Deep in
god.
cavern, a cavernous whirlpool. Boat and passenger in comparison, minuscule. No chance, Abby. Seems you'd better head back. Face Tonda and hit the sack. Otherwise, you will certainly be dragged into the deep. In the circus she commanded wonder, tamer of Urs. Here is her wet and obscure. A gaping cavern, a cavernous whirlpool. Boat and passenger
Okay,
in
so what do we need to
comparison,
do?
minuscule. No chance, Abby. Seems you'd better head back. face thunder and hit the sack. Otherwise, you will certainly be dragged into the deep.
Okay. Oh, but it's stopped? No. Oh, I see. Okay. So I just gotta wait for it to stop. And then go. What? Hey!
Manages to sail the troubled waters. How could she bring a force of nature to falter? But alas, her fate remains the same. The bandits are in march.
God damn it.
See her squirm like a worm on the hook. We're finally going to be close to come so far and achieve nothing. Nothing.
What am I meant to do there? Oh! And then I get you. Okay.
But alas, her fate remains the same. The bandits are in march. See her squirm like a worm on the hook.
Back it
We're
up.
finally going to be closing this book.
It's the old do-si-do in this chapter. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. There we go. Oi! Get him. No! Plumber, a few more barrels than
In
necessary?
the circus she commanded one. Tamer of Urs. Here is her name. Wet and obscure.
I think that's the right idea, though.
But alas, her fate remains the
come.
same.
Okay.
The bandits are in march.
And now we
See
turn
her
around.
squirm like a worm on the hook. We're finally going to be closing this book.
Come on. Ooh, yum. That sounds delicious, Avery. Come on, 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 come on. And close up. Nope. Damn it.
In the circus she commanded one. Tamer of Urs. Here is her name. Wet and obscure. But alas, her fate remains the same. The bandits are in march. See her squirm like a worm on the hook. We're finally going to be closing this book.
Nope. How did I get that to change?
In the circus
last
she
time.
commanded one. Tamer of Urs. Here is her name. Wet and obscure.
Unless I could just power ahead. Let's try that.
But alas, her fate remains the same. The bandits are in march. See her squirm.
But no, I think
like
they'll
a worm on
they'll
the
catch
hook.
up to us.
We're finally going to be closing this book.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
It was bound to happen. A week. But alas, her fate remains the same. The bandits are in march. See her squirm like a worm on the hook.
Okay.
Finally going to be closing this book.
And then we go back this way. Come on. Good.
In the circus she commanded wonder, tamer of Urs. Here is her grave.
How did we get it to do the thing last time? I'm just gonna straight up back away right now. Okay. Oh! No way! Is that what it is? No. Ah, okay.
But alas, her fate remains the same. The bandits are in march.
Okay.
See her squirm like a worm on the hook. We're finally going to be closing this book.
I get here, and then I stop and I turn around. No!
In the circus she commanded wonder, tamer of Urs. Here is her grave, wet and obscure.
I don't know how to prompt that.
But alas, her fate remains the same. The bandits are in march. See her squirm like a worm on the hook. We're finally going to be closing this book.
Nope.
In the circus she commanded wonder, tamer of Urs. Here is her grave, wet and obscure.
Nope.
In the circus she commanded wonder, tamer of Urs. Here is her grave, wet and obscure.
What is it that you're supposed to do to make that one stop? Was that literally it? Okay, so you gotta feed it a barrel to make it stop? Yeah, that's why the barrels keep coming back. Yeah, okay. Alright. I can do that.
But alas, her fate remains the same. The bandits are in march. See her squirm like a worm on a hook. We're finally going to be closing this.
And we're gonna wait here. No! Fuck. No! Yeah, I fucked that up.
Do you finally agree, Abby? What have I been telling you?
Okay.
Your fate has long been sealed.
Shut up, Jack. Okay. So this way.
But alas,
And
her
fate remains the same.
The bandits are in march.
And then we're gonna back up
See
this
her
way.
squirm like a worm on the hook.
I'm gonna go here.
Finally going to be closing this book.
Damn it. Damn it! How do I keep missing these? Wait. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Get out of there.
In the circus she commanded wonder. Tamer of Urs. Here's her.
Okay, so let me get this turn right, because we need to be facing... Okay, we need to be facing that direction so that we can hit it with the top of our boat. Okay.
But alas, her fate remains the same. The bandits are in march. See her squirm like a worm on a hook. We're finally
Damn
going
it.
to be closing this book.
There we go. There goes the barrels. Yes! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Yay! Whew.
No! No!
Oh my goodness.
You
Woo!
little girl! You damn worthless idiots! Away with you!
Oh my
And
goodness.
you! You still think she has a chance? This pathetic little creature?
Damn right. Okay. Whew.
No matter. My world has more than hurricanes and bandits, as you'll soon see.
I'm sorry that
Go
took so
on,
long.
Go on. We'll see how far you get.
My goodness. Good on you,
See
Abby.
these ruins? The stones lie as they fell, and over all of it lies an ill-omened spell. An ancient people, they'd also revolted, an ungrateful bunch, though they'd once been devoted. They wanted more, more, more. They wanted to win, win, win. And now there's nothing left of them but the stories they're in.
Abby is indeed a trooper.
A sword in a stone, ancient as it is famous. Ha! But is it good for anything more than diversion?
Woof!
A charming reunion. It truly warms the heart. Too bad Tonda will tear you apart.
Yo! Let's go! Hell yeah.
It's only a matter of time before Tonda catches you. Be so kind and don't drag it out.
Shut up.
How do you like that?
I like it just fine.
Damn it! Come on!
Yeah, doggo.
Abby? Abby? How long is this going to go on? This isn't how you write a story.
Oh, you want a bit?
If you were really a hero, you wouldn't keep hiding.
Is it gonna get his strings?
What are you doing in there? And how's this going to help you? Do you really think you can just push Thunder aside? There, take your toy back.
No, I want to cut the strings. Hold on. Here we go. Where is it balanced? Okay. Yes. Yes. I am so smart. I am so smart. SMRT. I mean SMART. And cut him.
No, no, Thunder! What? Enough of this nonsense. Come out, you little brat.
Ooh! I got an achievement. Free Tonda from a thread. Okay. Now what do I do? Hey, Jevin! Welcome, welcome.
There you are.
Uh,
It's your own damn fault. I had to.
Okay, alright, okay. Ooh! Okay. So here, we're gonna pick this up. We're gonna put this here. Press that. Oh, wait.
Abby? Abby? How long is this going to go on? This isn't how you write a story.
How you write a story?
If you were really a hero, you wouldn't keep hiding.
Oh, shush. You don't know me. Okay.
What are you doing in there? No, no, Thunder!
And then we come all the way back here.
What
Yes.
have you done?
Yes.
What have you done? You'll regret this. Enough of this nonsense. Come out, you little brat.
No. I refuse. Where am I supposed to... Oh, I'm supposed to go up there. I see. Okay. No! Let me up! Okay. Oh, wait. I think I'm meant to go up there. Okay, but I can't get there, so... Down. Great, and then... Can we, like, hold on to the string? Because that'd be kind of cool.
I always win.
Okay, alright. We gotta do another little do-si-do. That's fine. I'm gonna make sure that I free Tonda. Oop.
If you were really a hero, you wouldn't keep hiding.
Shut up, Boomer.
Abby? Abby? How long is this going to go on?
As long
This
as it
isn't
needs
how
to.
you write a story.
How you write the story?
What are you doing in there? No, no, Tonda! What? Huh? Enough of this nonsense. Come out, you little brat.
Okay, and then...
There you are.
Ah! Nice. Okay, cool. Oop. Yeah.
Not so fast. Ah!
Do we need to do something here? No, we just gotta run.
Ha! Tonda's grip closes so tight. Abby finally say good night.
Jeez, dude! Why do I have to do all of that again? Oh, phew, okay.
See? Tonda's grip closes so tight. Abby
Huh.
finally say good night.
Alright, so I guess we just gotta jump from the very beginning. Nope.
And so it came as it had to.
Supposed to run back under cover? Hello. Okay. And then we run. Okay. And then we run. Oh, whoopsie daisy.
See? It was only a matter of time.
Gotta go back and then back down. Alright, we can do this. Yep. Okay. Whoop. And then down. And then down. And this way. And then down and down.
Aren't you tired of hiding like this?
No, I'm not.
See? Not just you can break the rules. It's your own
Oh.
damn fault. I had to.
Okay, alright. Interesting. Whoop. Oh,
Aren't
thank you. That's a
tired of
very
hiding like
forgiving
this?
save point, and I appreciate it.
See? Not just you can break the rules. Ha ha! Have you just see? It was only a matter of time.
Okay. I think I'm gonna... This game looks hard. It wasn't initially. It has become harder.
Aren't you
But it's not
tired of
terrible.
hiding like this?
So I think I need to go,
See?
like...
Not
this.
just you can break the rules.
And then back under here. Yep.
Abby,
And then down
come
we go.
out. Ha ha! Have you decided to become a lumberjack? That's not going to help you. Now I'm fed up. I'll show you.
I love the narrator's voice. Jack is great.
No, no!
Get got, Tonda. Where am I supposed to go, though? Is there something I can use to, like, cut the rest of his strings? Whoop. Amazing. What an amazing message to get auto-modded, Shivan. I feel like I'm supposed to have something to be able to cut him free. Maybe not. Oh, I just untie him! Oh.
Oh, you will regret.
Yeah.
Go away.
I'm not listening to you
Stay
anymore,
away
old
from it,
man.
you. Go away. No, you little. You are so dead. Dead, dead, dead. He'll get you, little
Ah.
girl. Now it's over.
Ah! Oh god. Damn it! Wait, what? No, I missed it. What the hell? Uh-oh. Amazing. I think so. There we go. Oh, crap.
Aren't you tired of hiding like this?
Okay.
See? Not just you can break the rules.
Alright.
Abby, come out.
Nope. I don't wanna.
Ha ha! Have you decided to become a lumberjack? not going to help you. Now I'm fed up. I'll show you.
Honestly, I'm not even that sad that I have to do this part again because I just
Enough of this pathetic
love this narrator. I want to listen to him be completely unhinged for a bit more.
Oh, you will regret this. Go away.
Okay.
Get away from him, you.
No!
Go away.
Alright,
No, you little. You are so dead.
now I gotta go.
Dead.
Okay.
We'll get you, little girl.
No, we
Now
won't.
it's
Oh boy. Okay. There's one last jump. Alright! There we go. Ooh. Hey, Samsara! Okay. What the hell do you want? Huh? Ooh, hello. Okay, but I can't do anything with that right now.
There's no place left to hide.
Oh! I see. Okay, alright.
Finally, he's
I got it. I see what they want me to do. I've got it. Okay. Down here. Hello.
There's no place left to hide.
And then down here.
Tonda
Hi.
wants his revenge.
He's not gonna get it though. Okay.
Oh, you're about to feel his. Oh,
Yes.
damn. No, stay away. Don't.
You can't tell me what to do.
Don't you dare, you maggot. Don't you dare. No. Prepare. It's your own damn fault.
But I've got to get over to the other side. Maybe if I just get up here. Enough. Whoop. Okay, I gotta go here. Hi.
No place left to hide. There's no place left to hide. Tonda wants. Finally, he's got you.
I sense an issue.
There's no place left to hide.
Oh, okay.
There's no place left to hide. Tonda wants his revenge. Oh, you're about to feel his wrath.
Nope. How the hell am I supposed to get...
Prepare to die.
Oh! Maybe. If I do this?
I see you.
Nope.
And so it came as it had to.
No, I can't get up there.
There's no place left to hide. There's no place left to hide. It's your own damn fault. I had to. There's no place left. See? It was only a matter
I need to
of
get over
time.
there, but I don't know if I can from where I've ended up.
There's no place. It's your own damn fault. I had to.
Let's see if I... Hold on. Oop. I want to try this one.
There's no place left to hide. There's no place left to hide. Thunder wants his revenge.
So I'm wondering if I can get to that other side after he's been
you're about to
crushed.
feel his- Ah! Oh, damn. No. Stay away. Don't. Don't you dare, you maggot. Don't you dare. No! Prepare. It's your own damn fault. I had to.
Why did you stop running? God damn it. Okay.
There's no place left.
I
There's
see.
no place left to hide.
Oh, that's what's up here. I get you now. Over here?
There's no way out, no matter which side. You're mine.
Yeah.
Congratulations. You've weaseled your way into a trap. Give up, girl.
See.
No! I refuse to believe this.
Hey.
Oh, don't you dare.
Suck it, Jack.
Stay away from him.
No.
How dare you? You're a puppet. My puppet.
No, I'm
This
not.
world, I make the rules here. I'll crush you. Come here. I'm your creator, your god. You brat. To hell with you. You are nothing. Do as I say.
Sorry, Donda.
Die with you. No! 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 This can't be. No!
Hey, MLG. Homecoming. Aw, sweetie. What, Jack? Got nothing to say? Oh, and we're going the other way now! I love it when side-scrollers do that. It makes me very happy. We're running in the other direction. Because we've grown. Seriously, this game is fucking gorgeous. My god. Mwah. Beautiful. Is Wolf there? Pretty please? Oh, look at all the butterflies. I should absolutely get the soundtrack for friggin' D&D fighting. Whee! Urs! Yes! Let me free my friend. Oh, am I just straight up lifting it? What? Oh, do I need something else? Hold on, I'll be right back, buddy. Ah! Oh, interesting. Huh. Am I just gonna use his body to prop up the cage? Fuck you, Ringmaster. Are you murdering someone? No, I'm saving him. See? Yeah, I bet you regret it. Come on, let's help Urs. Yay! Teamwork! We still need someone else? Is Tonda around here, perchance? Ooh, okay. Come on, Ringmaster dude. Oh, buddies. Oh, yeah, it's the rest of the circus crew. Oh. Yes! Be free! Okay, I can't get through here just yet. Alright. Let's go free my friend! This way! Yes! Urs, you big cutie. Yay! Be a buddy! Yeah! Let's go! Good game! Yeah! Don't mind me. What are you doing? Are you all just dancing? You are just dancing. I love it. I also love the way that Ursa's butt moves. Hi, Abby. The last achievement was Together We Are Not Alone. Aww, that was so cute. Aww, I love that. That was just the sweetest little game. David Maas. Is he in anything else? That's the name of. Oh wait, no, that's the narrative. That's the name of. Oh, I might have missed it. I'm gonna look it up. I'm looking up the name of the fantastic voiceover person. Sean Lawton is his name. Aww. I love that. That was great. That was a great little game. Aww. I'm so glad that I spontaneously decided to play that this evening. That was just lovely. Nice and simple, beautiful. Like the scenery and the like design of the like aesthetic design was mwah, delicious. That was so great. Aww. I love that. It is a gorgeous game. And that's fun. That was like what? 2.5 hours? Couldn't have been more than 2.5 hours. Amazing. Maybe just 2 even. If I was not quite so befuddled a bit of partway through that. Although to be fair, the game does a good job. I do enjoy games that are like puzzly, but not afraid of being difficult. Like, I appreciate that they set up the standard of like, hey, the red thing is interactable, without like having to give you too many hints or easing up on the puzzle. You just gotta keep trying out certain things. You have like 3 mechanics. Work out which one of them is the one that you need to use. That was great. That was lovely. Aw. Good job. Good job. Was it Kaleidoscopic or what was the name? Kaleidoscube. Kaleidoscube. Good job. GG, Kaleidoscube. Did I get all the achievements? No. There are 9 other achievements. Interesting. Okay. There's probably stuff in, like, the swamp or the forest and things that I did not get. That's okay. Interesting. Okay. Well, I still want to go for maybe another 30 minutes. What do we want to do for 30 minutes? You know what? Okay, I'm gonna put this on chatting view, and I'm gonna stop this game. Confirm. And maybe... What is this like at the moment? Oh yeah, this is a pretty good spot. Alright. We'll finish things off with, one little round of Dorfromantik. Just to keep with the cozy vibes, just to keep with the chill vibes. Yeah, I've probably got master volume way down. There we go. Alright. It might be a little bit too loud, actually. Yeah, that one! Yeah, as you can see, or actually you can't see it here. Is it up here? Yeah, my high score has, greatly increased since last time I played this game, because I play this game way too much. Let me just, jump onto the stream info. Swap stuff around. There we go. Nice. Okay. We'll do that. And we'll bring this back up. Nice. Yeah, I've played so much of this game. Because it's just such a lovely game to play at the end of the day. But that does mean that I can kind of power through it now at this point. You might be 4,536, but I'm 577,790. Yo! All levels of success are extremely respectable, and you should be proud of how much progress you have made. Okay. This does mean that I'm gonna be even less talkative than I just was, because I kind of power through this game now at this point. You know, you can just take this as like a masterclass. Just sit back and learn from a pro. Okay. Just have a lovely little chill down moment. I am, of course, kidding. Please do not think that I'm actually that superior about how I play this game. I'm really not. Go that way around. For starters, I think since I last played this game on stream, I realized that you can undo your decisions if you're fast enough, which is great. It's an important thing to know about. Also, there was a thing where you could, like, maybe it was just on accident. No, it's fine. I thought there was a thing where you could, like, shift them around in the space, but that might have just been me, like, undoing it accidentally and then having a look around. Okay. Got this. Oh, I shouldn't have put that one there. Oh well. Dwarf Ruby attack. Good, I'm glad. Just a lovely little chill time. Just a sec, I'm just gonna turn my own volume down a little bit. I'm gonna do that because I'm not gonna be able to solve that one anyways. Yeah, when I was sick this past week, this was literally how I spent all day every day. Was sitting in front of, well, no, sitting on my couch, watching Schitt's Creek and playing Dorfromantik. Honestly, pretty great way to spend a week. Oh gosh, yeah. I can imagine. Oh, that would be sublime. I will not hold it against anybody if they fall asleep while watching me play Dorfromantik. That is 100% allowed and in fact encouraged. Maybe I should just do a Dorfromantik like ASMR channel. There's a lot of nice dull thuds. I could do that, but I don't really need to just yet, so I'm gonna hold on to it. This is also lovely for me, because at this point, I'm usually playing this game while doing something else, so it's just nice to actually listen to the real game ambiance for a bit. It's lovely. Nope, nope. Nice. Nice. I think I'm gonna start the forest section down here. Oh, this is a river. Okay. Nice. You are most welcome. Thanks for coming and hanging out. Hope you had a good time. See you next time. Have a good sleeps. Yeah, streaming Dwarf Romantic is just like my way of encouraging everybody that has been watching this stream to just go take a nap. Perfect. Oh yeah, I don't know if I probably didn't have this either when y'all were watching last, but I have bears now. There's little bitty bears that's just gone and hidden away in the woods, but I got bears. And little... I got the beaver lodges. Oh, there's another bear. Got a bear butt. We got beaver lodge. We got little castle ruins. It's very, very cute. Hmm. Nice. Hmm. Mm. Hmm. there any brand new viewers that came in right now, it would probably look so ridiculous that I have captions on this stream. Oh shit, this is my last tile. Whoops, should have paid better attention to that. Okay. Could do a quick fix there. Hmm. Yeah. Alright. Mm. Nope, I don't actually want to do that. Because if I close that off, then I won't be able to get the thing. Hmm. Sure. Oh, the little bear has a lake. Mhm. Mm. This is probably the last legs. Hmm. Mhm. Hey, nice. Take it back. Maybe it's not last legs. Yep. Maybe it is. Hey, respectable 15,000. Oh, goodness. Alrighty. That is it for me this stream. Oh, yeah. Whew. Thank you so much for coming and joining me. I hope you had a lovely time. I hope you had a chill time this last little while. Thanks for coming and hanging out. I will be back on Tuesday Yes, I will be back on Tuesday. Running some more Assassin's Creed, OG Assassin's Creed, which I think we're near the end of, but we'll see how that goes. And then other than that, if you're tuning in just now or haven't tuned in before, hi, I'm Ruby. Feel free to hit follow, although I am very amused that we are at 69 followers currently. Nice, it's the funny number. Yeah, if you're watching and you don't usually watch the stream, then feel free to hit follow. Other than that, I hope you have a lovely evening, a lovely rest of your weekend, just a lovely life if you don't tune back in, I guess. Alrighty, that's it from me. I'm gonna go sleep. All the best with whatever else you're getting up to with your life, and I will see you next time. Bye!